everyone. In today's video, we'll be walking through how to create a Windows EC2 instance and connect to it using RDP. Whether you're setting up a server for the first time or looking to refine your AWS skills, this guide will help you get your Windows instance up and running smoothly. So, let's dive in. Requirements: an AWS account. RDP clients like remote desktop connection must be installed. Log in to your AWS account. Then navigate to the AWS Services tab at the top left corner. Click on Services and select Compute, which lists all the compute services available in AWS. Select EC2 that take you to the EC2 dashboard. On the top right corner of the EC2 dashboard, choose the AWS region in which you want to provision the EC2 server. Here we are selecting London. Once your desired region is selected, come back to the EC2 dashboard. Scroll down a bit and click on Launch Instance button in the section of Create Instance. Next, you give your instance a name. Specify the number of instances to be provisioned. Choose AMI from the application and OS image, Amazon machine image. Selecting Windows will prompt a pop-up. Click on Confirm Changes and then click on the drop-down. We'll be selecting the Select the Free Tier option so as not to get charged. Choose EC2 instance types and key pair. Log in. We'll be choosing T2 Micro for the instance type in this lab. Select a key pair if you already have one created. If not, click on Create New Key Pair and follow the steps below. Give your key a name and then select key format. PEM. Once you click on Create Key Pair, the public key gets downloaded on the instance while the private key gets downloaded on your local storage. Network Settings. Click on Edit to open the tab in full view. Select VPC, Subnet. Enable auto-assign public IP to give an IP address to our EC2 instance, so that we'll be able to SSH into it and to have access to it through the browser. Create a security group, give it a name. Create security group rule by allowing RDP port 3389 source type anywhere, which is 0.0.0.0/0. We are allowing source type from anywhere because of the purpose of this lab. Configure storage. You can add more volume to your instance, but this default would be sufficient for testing. Click on Launch Instance. We now have our instance created. Select the instance created, wait for the instance status check to be complete. You can refresh the dashboard to see the current status of the instance by clicking on number 2. Once status checks is pass, click on the Connect tab. Click on the RDP Client tab, click on Get Password. Then click on Upload Private Key File to locate the private key. Select the key and click Decrypt Password. Copy the public DNS or IP address, password and username. Open Remote Desktop Connection and input the public DNS or IP address in the box provided for computer, then input the username and click Connect. Input password when prompted. Click Yes. You are now connected to your Windows Server EC2 instance. Great job! Please click the link in the description to access this lesson on Motiva Logic Academy Learning Management System, where you'll find a quiz for every lesson, hands-on lab and projects to test and strengthen your understanding. While you're there, explore the full catalog of advanced hands-on courses and downloadable resources designed to help you move from theory to real-world expertise faster. Be sure to like, subscribe, share and visit the link in the description. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss the future lessons. Thanks for watching.